Hello everybody, Bruce here with a video on the Bootstrap display property. And what the display property is going to allow you to do is to hide and show different things on your Bootstrap web page. In Canvas, you're going to see a link to this page right here, which is the Bootstrap documentation. So I suggest that you go through and take a look at it and bring any questions that you may have to class or myself or the tutor. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this page right here. It's a very simple Bootstrap site, and when I resize the browser you can see that it behaves just like you've learned so far, right? But what if you wanted to, say, hide one of these paragraphs of text at, say, a small breakpoint, right? So at this breakpoint right here, let's say you don't want to show this second paragraph, or let's say you don't want to show the contact me paragraph at the bottom. So how does this work in Bootstrap? Well, what you do is I'm going to go to my code here, and I'll let you look at this code for a minute. You can hit the pause button on YouTube so you can take a look at it. Nothing here is new, okay? Everything here is something that you should know. And here down on lines 27 through 29, I'm going to show you how we can initially, right now, just set that particular column to display none. So D-none, okay? And if I go there right now, you can see it's gone. It's gone like at every single breakpoint, right? It's gone, right? It's no longer being displayed. And for those of you who remember CSS, there's actually a CSS display property, a CSS display property that you can use to, hide various elements and change the way they appear, whether they're what we call block level elements or inline elements in HTML, right? So let me just go, because I have this code already here, let me just copy and paste this code right here. Go back and let me show you this. Let me just show you this. I'm going to change the classes for this to display none, okay? Display none by default, but display at a medium or larger breakpoint, display it as what we call block. And divs and paragraphs and such are what we call block level elements. They take up, the entire width of their container. And then also display at medium breakpoints to take up 6 columns. So check this out. Check this out. Ready? Here we go. We're going to go back to Chrome. Not that. We're going to go back to Chrome. And I'm going to shrink the browser window down. And as soon as I get smaller than medium, look, that second paragraph is gone. Ready? There it is, because we're bigger than the medium breakpoint. And now we're smaller than the medium breakpoint, and look, it's gone. It's gone. And you're going to want to do that a lot, okay? When you do responsive sites. You may not need to squeeze everything you have on your web page, down to a tiny mobile device, right? So the second thing I wanted to show you is like this second paragraph, this contact me paragraph right down here. It's actually in my footer. And I can add a class just to any element, class equals, okay? Doesn't have to be a column. And I'm going to put in, I'm just going to say col. That'll go across all 12 columns, right? But at a medium or bigger, breakpoint, it's going to show as block, but when it's smaller than medium, it's going to display it as none. Display as none. So here we go. There it is. I see it. Okay, now I'm going to shrink it down. Okay, shrink it down, right? Ready? And there it is. It's gone because I'm smaller than the medium breakpoint, right? I'm at the small or extra small, and it's gone, right? So you see how that works? This allows you to hide or display various things on your Bootstrap web page, okay? I'll just go back. I'll let you see all of this code right there. Opening body tag. Let me just do this. Closing body tag, and just pause the video and take a look at that. And this is how you're going to hide or show any element in a Bootstrap website. Thanks for watching.